In today's video, we are putting the Nakamichi Shockwafe Wireless 11.2.6 against the Sonos Arc Ultra with sub 4 to see which premium sound system truly dominates. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these soundbars, make sure to check the link in the description below. We are diving straight into the details, and while both of these systems aim to deliver a cinematic experience, they go about it in completely different ways, so you have to decide what matters more: raw, physical power, or sleek, software-driven convenience. The Nakamichi is an absolute beast, built like a traditional home theater with its massive 54-inch soundbar and dual 10-inch wireless subwoofers that pound with serious authority, whereas the Sonos system takes a more elegant approach, using a single sub-4 to handle the low end, while the Arc Ultra soundbar relies on its compact form and clever psychoacoustics to create a spacious soundstage. When we talk about immersion, the Nakamichi flexes its muscle with 6 discrete height channels and bipolar surround speakers that fire from both sides and above, giving you that true 360-degree bubble of sound that makes overhead effects incredibly precise and directional. But the Sonos fights back with its seamless Dolby Atmos processing and upward-firing drivers that, combined with the Trueplay tuning technology, meticulously calibrate the audio to your specific room acoustics for a balanced and refined listening experience that is hard to beat. Connectivity is another key battleground because the Nakamichi comes packed with HDMI eARC and 2 HDMI 2.1 inputs to support high-end gaming at 4K 120Hz, which is a huge win for gamers. While the Sonos leans heavily on its Wi-Fi ecosystem and the Sonos app to stream music and podcasts effortlessly, and while it may lack the physical inputs, its integration with voice assistants and multi-room audio capabilities make it incredibly user-friendly and versatile for daily use. The Nakamichi undoubtedly offers a more bombastic and physically imposing performance that shakes the room and handles complex action sequences with ease. Yet the Sonos system provides a more sophisticated, minimalist package that sounds phenomenal without taking over your living space, and its software updates and expandability ensure it stays current and relevant. Ultimately, if you crave the sheer, unadulterated power of a full-scale home theater that leaves no sonic stone unturned, the Nakamichi Shockwafe is the clear winner for its unparalleled bass and overhead effects. But if you value design and a cohesive smart home ecosystem, the Sonos is a fantastic choice, though for pure cinematic thrills, the Nakamichi simply has no equal. Whichever side you lean toward, both are incredible, and you can find the best price for your favorite right now by clicking the link in the description below, so do not wait too long.